Understanding the phrase, "We are family" in English. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, "We are family" in English. This is a commonly used phrase that carries a lot of emotion and significance. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about English expressions, this video will help you understand how and when to use this phrase effectively. We are family literally means that the people being referred to are members of the same family. This can include parents, siblings, and extended family members like aunts, uncles, and cousins. It's a statement of fact, indicating a biological or legal relationship among the people mentioned. More interestingly, "we are family" is often used figuratively. It implies a bond or unity among a group of people who are not necessarily related by blood or marriage. This usage is common in close-knit communities, teams, or groups of friends. It signifies feelings of loyalty, support, and love, similar to what is expected in a family. The phrase gained widespread popularity with the 1979 hit song, "We Are Family" by Sister Sledge. In popular culture, it's used to evoke feelings of solidarity, unity, and common purpose. Understanding this reference can be important for English language learners as it often appears in movies, music, and literature. Let's see some examples of how "we are family" can be used in sentences. In a literal sense, even though we argue sometimes, we are family, and we'll always stick together. In a figurative sense, our soccer team has been through so much together. We are family. There are other expressions in English that convey a similar sentiment. Phrases like a family, brotherhood, sisterhood, and one big happy family are often used to describe groups with strong emotional connections. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, "We are family" in both its literal and figurative senses. It's a beautiful expression that conveys a deep sense of belonging and connection. Whether you're part of a biological family or a chosen one, the sentiment remains powerful. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language.